morning guys! Happy Wednesday! Dito pala kami natulog sa caravan. Today is December 28. Alis tayo. Kasi yung mga bata, yung mga natanggap nilang gift cards, gusto na nilang gamitin. So punta tayo ng marketplace kasi si Kuya at saka si Sak gustong pumunta sa EB Games kasi yung card nila pwede doon. Tapos si Holly, Smiggles. Then si John, magpaparegister siya ng yung bagong dinghy. So, yan. Alam nyo ba, di ba kahapon sobrang init kagabi, sobrang lakas ng ulan, and ngayon mahangin and malamig. O, di ba? Kamusta naman ang weather natin dito sa Mount?
Hey guys, go!
Si TJ naka-short lang. Si Sak, naka-short and t-shirt lang sila. Ako naka-cords ako na knitted na long sleeve. Ayan, and ito yung Korean ko. What you call this? Ito, knitted din. Ano, tweed pala to, tweed. Ilagay ko lang yung aking battery. May battery tayo para sa isang phone. yung lalagyan ng coins, ginawa ko ng ano guys, lalagyan ng battery. Ayan. Wala naman kasi tayong cash. Okay, and my new favorite bag. Ito guys, alam nyo na yan. So, twice natin siya magagamit today kasi nagamit natin siya before nung in-unbox ko. Okay, si Jen naghihintay na. May araw, pero malamig yung hangin. Pero sila, mga bata, okay lang. Ayan si Holly, naka-shorts and t-shirt and sling bag.
Gucci bag.
Wow, Gucci bag. It has what?
It has my card, and Quizak's card.
Okay.
You have to take it.
Okay, we're going. Sila lahat naka-t-shirt. Ako naka-tweed. Kasi malamig. Nilalamig ako. Kahapon sobrang init, guys. Malamig. Umuulang kanina, kagabi. Ang lakas na. Have you heard the rain last night, ha?
Na?
Kayo kasi tulog na yung mga bata. Okay. Tapos na pa si Jan magpa-register ng bago niyang boat. Dito naman kami sa Marine. What do you call this, Kuya?
Plunges Marine.
Plunges Marine.
We're getting the 8BW.
Huh? You wanna eat something? But I didn't know, nakalimutan ko yung wallet ko.
Dad has his wallet.
Yeah, I forgot my wallet.
Dad has his over here.
Dito tayo after magpa-register ni Jan.
And we're at the mount. We're at the mountain. We're nearly there.
Yeah.
We're doing ours first, Holly. We only get to buy one thing.
Yes.
We're done.
Yes. So, eto guys, likod to. Yung shop talaga na nasa harapan. Yung parang may tindahan. Finally. Umalis kami sa bahay namin.
Deck?
Yeah.
Why didn't you hop out?
I can't even bend it.
Umalis kami 9 o'clock. Anong oras na? 10 na guys. 10.
W too. I'm hungry.
10:15. Dito tayo sa Taylor Marine.
come in?
Oh, what's that?
Your phone.
My phone. Kuhaan natin ng life jacket yung mga bata.
Holly.
Okay, hanap tayo ng kanilang life jacket.
That's right, I can't see why. Hey, what's up? Did they get away with them on kayaks?
Yeah, I think it's fit. How about you, Zach? How about Holly, Han? What if... Why? What if she wants to... Oh, okay. There's one in the shed though, Papa. I know.
That'd be too small for it.
Both the same size? Both the same size, Han?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, yung dalawa.
length.
Let me see. How much is this? 149.98. Okay, 149 ang isa. Nagrereklamo na yung mga bata kasi marami tayong pinupuntahan bago doon sa kung saan nila i-claim or mag-shopping sila doon sa kanilang card. Gagamitin yung card. And sila, TJ and si Zach and si Holly, meron na silang life jacket. Pero yung life jacket nila ay sa pang ano yun, yung sa boat. Kung pupunta kayo sa malalim, ganun. Eto, pang ano lang naman to, pang, yung parang shallow lang, yung may babaw lang kasi magkakayak lang naman sila. So, iba-iba yung ano nila, iba-iba yung tawag nito, life jacket. Kung sa sports, iba-ibang sapatos, dito naman, iba-iba yung life jacket na ginagamit. Like sa kayak. Sabi ko, meron na tayong life jacket. And yeah, that's different. No? Okay. Why are you sad, boys? Takes forever.
And we want to be there, Vina. We'll be
I want to eat first before we go.
Of course, Kuya. Gutom na si Kuya.
I haven't had anything.
I haven't ate food, breakfast, or a drink.
Ang aga kasi namin umalis din. Okay, don't worry. We will finish soon.
Hot dog again.
Wendy's? That's in Kmart.
What's the one at Big W then I meant?
That's Donut King.
Yeah, I want their hot dog.
Alright. Nagtatalo kayo ninyo kasi nagpa-park siya sa sobrang layo. Dito na kami sa marketplace. Pwede mo mag-park doon. Ang daming parking ho. Dito talaga siya sa pinakadulo nag-park. Inubad ko yung isang yung tweet natin na jacket. Pero malamig yung
Got some money,
hangin.
Holly?
You got money, Baba? I don't have money. I didn't bring my wallet. I got my phone. 9 minutes left na lang yung aking SD card. Papupuno na naman siya. Nilalamig siya, oh.
Well, it's just that here.
This way. Ba, ang daming parking. Tingnan nyo, nilalamig sila, oh. Come on here, hoy, come on. Okay, dito sila sa EB Games. Yeah, it's Miguel later, Baba. Pardon me. PlayStation na naman ang kukunin nila. PlayStation card. From card to card.
So just have to run that through like a normal thing.
Just for TJ.
Just TJ.
There you go.
Okay, tapos na si Kuya, si Zach naman. O, diba? PlayStation card. Yes, it's Miguel next. You have to sign it, Zachary. Thank you. Okay. Smigo. Si Holly, meron siyang $100 worth na spend dito sa Smigo. Ayan, it's closed. Alright. Okay, go, Baba. So, saan na naman kayong kukunin nito dito? What? Try it on, Holly. What else? Get that one. Yeah, get one, Baba. Just one, Baba. Pinipilian na siya ni Kuya Sak. That one? Yeah, both. You have to get both. Let me see. Look at me. Bumili pa siya ng shopping bag. I hope you have enough money. Wait lang, Baba. Wait lang. Wait, Baba. Oh, you're not inside, Baba. Try slow down. Good job. Okay. 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 Is that? Yeah. Yeah. Just type. Write your name. Well done, Holly. Okay. Thank you.
I should have about 20, just under
25. Yeah. Here, Baba. Don't lose this one. You still have more here. Wow. Thank you. So you don't lose your card, okay? You have more there.
I can go to any more shop.
Any more shop?
Mommy, I can play with my squishy pen and I can bring it at school to write and draw and when I go to investigate.
Yep. Kain muna kami. Order ako dito ng french fries kasi masarap yung french fries nila dito. Si Zach, ayan, umorder sila ng daddy niya ng sushi. Ano yan? Chicken lover. As always. Ito sa akin. And meron pang hinihintay doon si Kuya. Si Kuya, si Holly. Si Kuya may hinihintay pa yung hotdog. So, Donut King pala yan. Donut King pala to. Okay, come on, Holly. Whose donut is this? This is yours, yeah? One for you. And this is for Holly.
Yeah, start there.
How's yours, yeah? Kay Kuya may mustard. Ano yung sinasabi ni John kay Zach? What he said, Zach? Wala pa. Ayan na yung akin. Sabi ko wala pa. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, 10 minutes kasi siya. Ito yung atin. Spicy? Barbecue, maybe.
Chutney.
With relish.
Relish, that's exactly what it is.
That's relish, huh?
I'll have it.
Look at Zachary. Ubus ni Zach. Ang sarap nito. Si Jan, kinain yung tira ni Holly. Busog na si Holly. Naubos na ni Zach yung kanya. Dito naman siya sa akin. Kaya, ano yung chicken crab?
I've tried that. Oh, here,
Kuya
yeah,
Dad.
Baba.
Huh? Yeah?
Oh, you just take the lid off. Oh, silly. Daddy. Daddy, I'm
Love it?
going to keep that one.
Tapos na yung si Kuya. Finish mo. Finish your hot dog. Si Holly, ayan, binuksan niya yung isang nabili niya sa Smiggle. Yung pen. Nice squishy.
I'm getting this little. It's so sticky. I'm gonna keep it forever.
Ito pala, banana milkshake. Dessert, donut.
You're gonna want it.
Si Zach, grabe ang gutom ni Zach.
I'll buy it.
Starter.
You like it, yeah? Si Kuya, oh.
I had my main and this now I've ate my starter.
Yeah, your starter. Busog na ako, guys. Si Kuya, ongoing pa si Kuya. Tingnan nyo, mauubos yan na. Let me see, ya. So good. Meron pa siyang donut. Si Jan tsaka si Zach pumunta ng toilet. Thank you! Happy New Year! Thanks! Nakapag-shopping tayo dito, guys. Oh, ang ganda ng mga ano nila dito, mga stuff. Si Mel, merong ganitong nabili. May nabili si Mel nito. Eto, oh, ito yung suit ni Mel ng Christmas. Ano to, guys? 100 something. 129. Ayan, 129. Ito yung suit ni Mel kahap nung Christmas. Okay, pero ipakita ko to sa inyo mamaya yung nabili natin. Ang ganda, ang cute ng kulay. Nauna na pala sila dyan sa car. Iniwanan nila ako. Punta raw kayo ng Bunnings. Nilagay ko na doon yung pinag-shopping natin. Bunnings tayo. Bili siya ng panlinis.
Use that.
Is that for what? Aceton. Aceton?
And the bias for
And for the boat daw. Panlinis sa boat. Tsaka sa bahay din daw. Aceton nakalagay. Tingnan si Holly tsaka si Zach. Ang cute. Bili rin siya ng storage box. Pero sa ano yan? Doon yan sa dinghy. Yung bago niyang dinghy. Yung malit na boat. Ang cute ng dalawa. Okay, let's go. Yan yun. Napagod na si Zach. Paharap naman siya. And kuha rin tayo nito pang barbecue. Ayan. Ayan. Ang dami, no? 20 pieces. Tapos na tayo dito sa Bunnies. Ayan yung mga pinamili ni Johnny Boy. Yung nabili ko sa Harper & Co. Boutique. Short siya, guys. $49.95. Ayan, $49.95. White and black. Yung black, iba naman yung design. Parang may pa-ribbon siya. Maubos na yung memory card natin. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Yes, because I don't have memory card. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye, guys.
It's only 11.
Yeah, short. Yeah, I know, but we don't have memory. See you. It's almost done. Okay, bye, guys. Short, ano lang tayo vlog today.
Cause I think